Hello, it's Danny Spanks. I'm here at the Kern County Animal Shelter on Fruitvale. It's time for another dog blog at KRAB.com, and it's brought to you by Critters Without Litters, Kern County's most trusted and affordable spay-neuter clinic. Look them up online at critterswithoutlitters.org. This boy, his name is Scooter, and actually Scooter was available for adoption here at the shelter several weeks ago. I wanted to feature him on the dog blog, but he got adopted. But as you know, sometimes it happens, things don't work out, you know, with issues with the owners, whatever the case may be, no fault of the dog. If there was a problem with Scooter, he wouldn't be back here and available for adoption. Scooter's a good boy. Blog at KRAB.com is a 2-year-old black German Shepherd. His name is Michael, and he's one of the several German Shepherds they have available here at the shelter on Fruitvale. They have a bunch of them, but I picked out Michael because I'm pretty sure Michael has been here the longest. I think somebody had intended on adopting him, but something fell through, and so he wound up staying here at the shelter. So I wanted to feature him on the dog blog and do, you know, whatever we can to find Mike a home.